Well, I'm pulled up to the cook-off. I ain't cooking, I'm just judging. And I'm gonna eat too. I'm eating today. But I got my supplies. Man, I appreciate y'all, KC Urban Country Style family. Because if y'all knew what was going on in my world right now, y'all would overstand. Okay, now it's time to transform into 3-3. Are y'all ready? Let's get it. Yee! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on? What's going on? What it do? Uh-oh, who that? Who that? Who that? Oh, my goodness. Is this is looking like a cook-off over here.
KCOG.